Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of a jaw-dropping 1960 El Camino. Underneath this spectacular hood, we have a beautiful 350, completely detailed engine compartment, just enough billet material on the motor to make it stand out. This car is just absolutely awesome. It has front power disc brakes, it has power steering, the engine block is detailed in yellow, and it is just unbelievable. This is a true piece of Detroit right here. Solid metal car right out of Southern California with still having the black plates on it, which means it never left the state. And by looking, until now I should say, and looking down the side of this vehicle, it is absolutely straight as an arrow. Check out the flame job on this. It is absolutely jaw-dropping. Beautiful chrome, stainless. This car is just breathtaking. Look at the paint job, how beautiful it is. It's flawless with beautiful chrome, beautiful stainless. Look at these 20s on there. American Torque Thrust 20s. Unbelievable. It is just eye-catching. I can guarantee you'll win the show with this one, guys. And this will not last long. Check out this. Look at that. That's real steel right there, buddy. All the stainless down the sides in really, really good shape. A couple little nicks here and there, but absolutely beautiful. Call Tom today. This one's not going to last, folks. 248-974-9513. All right, folks, check out the bed here. It's got the spray-in bed liner to protect the wonderful California steel. The door does drop down in the back. I'm going to show you how solid this is. Listen to that. When's the last time you heard a door shut like that on a classic? Metal chrome in back. There's some scratches right here on the rear bumper. The stainless is in very good shape on here. The original California black plate. And down the side of this car, it is straight as an arrow. Absolutely beautiful. Breathtaking. Look at the doors. Boom. Absolutely wonderful. It's got a power antenna, 20-inch torque thrust, power disc brakes. This is a show stopper. You will win the show if you pull up in this. You will call me after you buy it and say, Tom, you were right. I won another trophy. Because this is what this car is about, is trophies. Beautiful custom interior, black and yellow, beautiful chrome accent in here. All the stainless is beautiful. You got the moon gauges. In the glove box you have a wonderful stereo. I'm going to have Aubrey come over here because behind the seats, folks, we got some booming going on over here. We got a bass box, we have some 6x9s, amplifier. She's ready to rumble. Speakers up front too in the dashes. Really, really cool. Headliner's yellow as well. Check out the visors. Even detail on those. This is a real showstopper. You wait till you hear it rumble. joining us today at Vanguard Motor Sales. Make sure you go to VanguardMotorsales.com and become part of us on your social network at YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook. Up in the right-hand corner, you'll see cars like this before they're offered to the public, because a lot of times we sell our cars to people before they're even advertised. And also, do yourself a favor, even if you're buying from us or not, go to ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com and download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a muscle car online. We have helped many of people save thousands of dollars. Why not become part of that savings? And once again, the reason you should buy from us, we're 100% sellers on eBay, and we do what we say we're going to do. So call Tom today at 248-974-9513. We're available 7 days a week to help you out in your muscle car purchase, because at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're dedicated to parking your dream in your driveway.